If you're looking at selling soap or beard products or lip balm, this video could save you a bit of time. I'm going to pack up 2 orders and talk about where I sourced everything and share some ideas that you might be able to pinch. E-commerce boxes are from Kite Packaging. I've got 3 sizes, small, medium and large. They're customised with stamps from the English Stamp Company. Each stamp is 2 by 2 inches. I've got 3 of those, 1 for each logo variation. I've got 3 different colours of stamps, 1 black, 1 green and 1 red. That's a small e-commerce box there. Beard oil bottles, 30 ml from Alibaba. If you buy shitloads, you get them quite cheap. I got 1,000. And the labels were designed on Adobe InDesign and printed by Minuteman Press in Manchester. Let's build the small e-commerce box for the beard oil. Craft tape, that's by Kite again. I used to use sellotape, but craft tape's better. Each order gets a thank you note. I've got a template set up on Adobe InDesign that I alter for each one. Print it off. This one here is a first time order, so I keep it a bit more business formal for like a very first one. Just pretty basic, thank you. Printed off using an A6 label printer off Amazon. Signed with a Pentel pen. Put that in the box along with a business card. The zigzag paper is by Kite Packaging again. I bought a ton of that. It dominates the room. It's in a huge box. I've never had any breakages or anything like that though, so it's very good. You can get different colours, but it costs more. You can get like the red one looks good, but it's like almost double the price, I believe. I'm going to print off the packing label now, the postage label from Shopify. I won't do that screenshot though because customer details and that. This is the medium e-commerce box. They don't stay together that well, that's why I put a little bit of tape on just to stop the inside bits flaring out. Again, pack it out with zigzag. I use these to send 3 bars of soap. My soap doesn't compromise on quality, but it's not the prettiest. As you can see, there's certainly like prettier soap out there. I use bifold tags, cardboards, and I use Pound Shop elastic bands to keep them on. I'm going to score them in half now using a bottle opener and a ruler, and just attach using the elastic band. I think this stuff suits my brand. It's kind of rough and ready. And you'll see that it gets 3 in quite nicely. Business card in. Gonna use a gold Pentel pen this time. Attach the thank you note. Chuck in some more craft paper so it doesn't move. More zigzag paper doesn't move around. Like you want it to be quite solid. You don't want any movement at all in the box. Overkill on the craft tape. And that's it. Just got to bang on a postage label, and these are ready to send off to with Every. I give the customers a choice as well of like who they want to send with, Every or Royal Mail, and that's the lot. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this one, watch my other videos. If you want to go one further, go on my website and buy something. Thanks very much.